Hello guys, hope mko salama. Mimi niko salama. It's another beautiful day. Siku ingine tumekuja I've come to talk about our favorite couple as usual. So yesterday nilisema I'm gonna come back and react on the ile video when they went to what's this place? Ile Kariaini. So like Kay, so Luciana came and visited. I don't know whether it's visiting or like, no, the way they are, you don't even know whether they live together or not. But I think they don't. But I think she spends most of the time in his place, according to what I'm seeing. I'm just saying like kulingana na vile naonanga. So we see Kay and Luciana. Kay is driving and Luciana is just seated there, our passenger princess. And they start talking about how the award ceremony went down. Unajua ile kitu linibamba, it's when Luciana said, Kay said, let me tell you mine. I didn't know he said he didn't know that alikuwa one of the protesters, one of the nominees, and apparently he won. So he said like he didn't know, and Luciana gave us the other side of the story. Like when he came home and he wanted to disclose to him like he's one of the guys who'd been nominated. The response ilimpea tu ile vibe ya huyu akijua amenominatiwa hata ninio he'll not turn up, because apparently Kay said that he doesn't like competition. That's a plus for a man who doesn't like competition. Hello. So we see Kay so Kay says like this is where I also corrected a stamp. Kay akasema unajua mimi nilikuwa nafikiria naleta babe. It's coming so natural, like it's not being forced. Nilikuwa najua mimi naleta babe. Thank you. Unfortunately kajipata pia mimi I'm one of the people who like being given an award. And then Luciana was like, but congratulations baby. It's baby this, baby that. Our couple. So we see them now. They started talking. I think when they got to Akaraf Road, and it triggered some memories for Luciana. Akaanza kuongea vile like what she has gone through last year November, which is not long ago. And she was like, do you know last year November nilikuwa huku nikitafuta nyumba ya 2000 juu ile nyumba yenye nilikuwa naishi nilikuwa nimelemewa kulipa. So she used to live in a in a 1-bedroom house, but it got to a point like she could not akashindwa kulipa. That was so touchy, and you could see Kay was like, oh yeah, like the sympathy. He was like, oh yeah, and then you could tell he's like, don't worry baby, that's over, that's the past, you're not suffering anymore, I got your back. That was so touching. And then she started venting. She became more vulnerable, and akaanza kuvent, akaanza kusema the way she was praying with barefooted, trying to see whether God is gonna listen to her, holding the wall with barefooted, suffering. The way she would pray with some other girls, I think the house help or the friend, for a breakthrough. And then she was like, ati ile time tu kaninio kamwangaza kidogo is about to come, giza inakuja. I was like, So you could tell she's gone through a lot. And Kay also opened up and said like him as well. And that time he wasn't like employed by Samido, and he didn't like Samido agem drive alafu get to a point and amwambia wewe niache tu hapo wewe endanga because he didn't want Samido to know where he lives. He was like, angejua kwenye alikuwa naishi angenichunja. That was so, oh my god. It's yeah, it was like they became like akaanza like vulnerable to each other, wakaanza kufunguka roho. And then we see this part, Rusiana was talking about how she bought pots worth 8,000, and Kay was like, Kiyanya. And then she was like, I had all along like had this desire of buying these pots, and ile time nilipata hiyo pesa, I had not even paid rent, but I bought the non-stick. And then it was like, na mbona uniambiangi tununue vitu kaa hizo? And Luciana was like, if we buy those things right now, you'll not see the impact. No, like she's calculating every move. Like, I've seen a future with this guy. If I start doing these things right now, he will not see the impact. Like, he will not feel the impact of me being a wifey. Hey! So, the girl is seeing, Rusiana naona mbali. So, when I hear people saying, oh, it's only Kay who is so much in love with her, she's not. She's a wise lady. Like, she's calculating every move. So we see them talk about it. And then, so when she said, like, if I buy those pots right now, when I get married to you, you'll not see the impact. Alafu uliona pali, nani alisema, Naisha akasema, he? No, I didn't have the Kolkana share. So basically, Kay admitted to us he has got 2 pots. But then I akasema, ile kana kwa Maina nani? Maina is the manager. Kay akasema hapana. He's the one who steals from. Oh God, partial life hainanga stress. Sufuria bili Kay usually. But sisijari. I told you, when you make your whatever, your wedding fabric, me nitaleta Salad Master. Go Google how much Salad Master costs. Salad Master costs around 4,000, like 4 by what? 4 by Salad Master, by the way, a set, sasa tuseme set kaya familia. And it's not even a big family. Salad Master set ya familia, hizo sufuria, it's 4,000. So ukifanya 4,000 by 170, 180. It's allowed. My God. Do you know it's like 1 million? I swear. Cause wait, hold on. Mafans, sisi tutanunulia Salad Master. Wacha nione how much is Salad Master. Salad Master ni kampuni ingine hapo hivyo. Inakuanga ya, I think it's all over the world. Pots zao zimetengenezwa na titanium. Hai react. Unaona watu wenye wamevujika mifupa. The metal, when unasikia mtu amekuwa metal kwa mwili. Ni titanium. It doesn't rust, it doesn't react with anything. So, set ya Salad Master ya familia kidogo, it's that much. You come down. Let's say 700,000 Kenya shillings. Iyo tutachanga nayo. Luciana, leave alone stick, non-stick. Salad Master. No, when they're gonna set your Salad Master, how much is? Because the last time, like 1, 2, it was 4,000 by 100. Yeah, allow that figure, 700,000 Kenya shillings. Sisi mafans, kwa hivyo mkwe tayari kununua Salad Master. Leave alone the excitement Luciana alipata because of non-stick. Tunapea excitement ya Salad Master. Wow, tulikuwa tumefika wapi? So Kay was like, yeah, nyoko ya dina bena kurgan halafu. That was so funny. I love it. So we see them wakinini. We see so wanaenda, and then they get to this flog something. I don't know why I keep thinking in my mind is flog paradise. was it resort? I don't know, Kariaini somewhere. We see them go in there, wherever. Before that, you know me, I go picking the stamps like usual, and zile tu vitu anafanya, and then I feel captivated. Unaona ile time, like when they are there, Lucy is just holding 90 here, and 90 holds her like when they become intimate, it just comes naturally, like it's not forced. Like, and then what I was saying in the other video, like wakiwa place, the two of them, hata kama kuna watu wengi, they don't mind the surrounding. When love hits, it's just them alone in their own world. That's what I love about them. Like, hakuna hatu ni sisi, it's me and my baby. Like, nobody, the noise of the world doesn't matter. I just love them. So tunaona when they decide now to go on that swing, the merry-go-round, as I may call it, those rings, big ones. Unasikia Kay bado ana instruct ule msee mwenye anabako Rusiana, wambia, make sure no ajohera modosho hega. Make sure my person is barcode properly. Ataki mtu wake umie. And then they get there, and then they start the conversation yao, it just flows with love. Like, she's on that end, I'm on this end, and they're still conversing. So lovely, so romantic. And then they say wakitoka, they take photos on one ring. Rusiana namshika Kay, alafu sikia mtu akitoka na huko kusema ni content. Liri, ni content, yes, but they're giving us like reality content, and I love it. When you're tunasomanga, me, like, I'm a fan of reading mostly the romance novels. In fact, I have like, hata sijafungua, I'll show you, I have like 4 of them. Nilikuwa hivi, they are still up, sijafungua tangu history ya Luciana na nani itoke. Me and them forever. So so we see them there, alafu tunaona wakiingia kwa boat. Did you see them get in the boat? All of them, they go in the boat, they're taking the photos, wanaongea, and then before even boat ianze, like I think they were waiting for the captain or someone mwenye anaendeshanga hiyo nahodha mwenye anaendesha hiyo boat. Before akuje, there was a conversation. Oh my God, if you listen to that conversation vizuri, there was a lot to take from there. And then there is this time 90 was like cutting mushakishi, that meat that is poked inside or wherever, and anampea the babe, anampea baby wake. Hey! And then Luciana came with a t-shirt. 90 is the one who had like a sleeve jacket. At the end of 8 all to Kana, the sleeve jacket was given to the baby, to the babe. My God, I'm loving it. These two, I don't know. Yeah, me, I think when they like they get married, they bring us, because we said Atuachi, they get married, they bring us babies. We're gonna give them like a space now to bring up the, and if they decide to continue with it like a reality show, in our 50s or in our 60s, where we might not be able to catch up with them, because maybe by now, instead of reacting here, we'll be sleeping in our 50s, because by that time there's nothing like sleep deprivation. Nitaandika kitabu. I will write a book. This one. I'll write a book when atakuja hizo enzi, like the way we why not? The person who wrote about Romeo and Juliet, when were they? Hata mimi by the hata sijaisoma your story, but anytime there is anything to do with 2 people in love, those people who are in their 70s, or no, those born 70s and 60s, and I think early 80s, they talk a lot about Romeo and Juliet. So I can do a book. Yeah, and Luciana and Nightingale, you will be the Romeo and Juliet. So in my 50s, after nimezeeka for this story of yours, you continue doing the reality shows, but I will do a book in those days, like when I know, you know what I mean, guys. So my God, so you see them in the boat taking photos, singing, and then time comes for them to get out of the boat. Kanaite ate nitothiewani, like she holds the baby. I'm watching the love, the care, anamsindikisha, anatoka, alafu hiyo scene sasa, hiyo scene inaisha. And then today I was on nilienda TikTok nikapata Waithaka wakiwa on a FaceTime call with 90 and Luciana. Oh my God, I'm loving it. I love the way like everyone is hyping them up, like everyone is cheering them up, because sometimes you might not see what you have until someone else come and tell you, by the way, do you know what you're having? Because 90 or Luciana could not like be so like maybe like they would, I'm not saying they don't value each other so much, but my hype ya my celebrities, wow, hype ya the friends, inawafanya like we think twice, like inawafanya think like, if people can see this, if people can see how good we are together, if people can see how supportive we are together, that means it's a real thingy. So I'm so happy when I see a celebrity who is like and then the compliment, why that guy is naughty, but in a very I love his naughtiness. So when she was like complimenting Luciana, alafu nikafupi, alafu nikashoti, I was like, shut up, were you saying my me, I just love them. I love them. You don't know what I do their music, huh? I do the music, and then I go listen. Oh God, I do play their music back to back when I'm going to back to back. In fact, one day I'll record myself when going to work playing those music. You'll be thinking I'm crazy. Back to back, but I never get tired, and I feel like we've caught up. But there's this reaction. I need to do a reaction on there's this thing they have just done on that story for another day, by the way, guys.